Many of my subscribers know this already, but my name's Nader Najad, and I make videos for international students, people who want to come to Canada, live abroad, immigrate here. But I also make videos for entrepreneurs and young business owners who want to, shine in this world and do something new. So if you're interested in any of that, hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be unboxing the Amazon Echo, and I'm also going to be talking about why I chose the Echo, having been a previous, Google Home user, and I used that for about a year, and it was glitching out on me a little bit. Like, I would tell it shut off the lights and it would say please try again or something like that. So other than that, it worked flawlessly. It was a really nice device. I really enjoyed it. But why am I getting this? Why did I go out and get an Echo? Well, my girlfriend took it's actually hers. I got it for her birthday, so it's not mine. But she took the Google Home that we were sharing back home, and I had the decision. I have all these lights that are smart home devices, and I'm like, okay, I'm bad at organization. My lights, I'd like to voice activate them. And I was like, Nader, don't make an impulsive purchase. You don't need an Amazon Echo or a Google Home. And then I'm like, I'm gonna get an Amazon Echo. So I got the Echo, and I'm gonna unbox it right here in front of you today. And you're probably like, be quiet and unbox it. So I'm just gonna do that. And I'm not a review channel, but I do make videos for students. And I'm gonna talk a little bit about why you should consider getting one of these, especially if you're like me. Well, first of all, this device is a productivity device. It's gonna help you, ooh, shiny. ADHD, that was very ADHD. It's gonna help you stay on track. It can set reminders for you. It can wake you up in the morning. So these things are excellent. Let me go ahead. This is kind of weird. So I want to open it, and there's like this thingy in here do I pull this? All right, I'm gonna rip it. Okay, personally, right off the bat, I think this looks better than a Google Home. Also, came out a little bit beforehand, so some people are telling me it does more things. For example, you can order toilet paper off Amazon and it will come to your house. You can't do that with a Google Home yet. So this looks really nice. I also like the blue ring at the top. When you talk to it, I see a blue ring, and I know that's really petty, but I like the blue ring. So yeah, this is gonna be very fun. I'm gonna plug this in. This video clearly has no cuts. All right. So inside of the box, empty, comes with the Amazon Echo, of course. If it came without it, we'd have a problem. And a plug. That's about it. And if you don't know what to do, like I have no clue how this thing works, it comes with a booklet. So that's literally, that is the Amazon Echo right here for you on this table. Definitely consider getting it. I may make another follow-up video to actually review this, but I'm going to shut off the camera now and simply go ahead and try this out for my class and before all the work I have to do. So if you liked this video and it was the most informative piece of information I've ever shared with you in your whole life, be sure to subscribe, because I know this was enlightening. Thanks for watching.